Today we're going to look at the Cat 9 and the Glock 26. The Cat 9 does not stay open the whole way. Does not have a slide release because there's no slide stop. It is double action only trigger, which, by the way, maxed out went above the 8 pounds and it still didn't pull. So I would guess it's probably a 10 to 12 pound trigger pull. And it's very hard trigger pull, to say the least. The one good thing about it is that it is a narrow gun. Compare it side by side to the Glock 26. It is narrower. See that? The sights, the Glock, of course, has the standard Glock sights. The Intratec has a groove in the top of the slide, and that's it. It came out in the early 90s as a striker fire double action only pistol. Magazine is a single stack, holds 7, has witness marks, no numbers. And the Glock 26, of course, holds 10, double stack, has the witness marks and the numbers from Glock. Look at the slide. It's actually under an inch. It's 9/64, so on the Intratec, whereas the Glock sitting over an inch and a quarter whenever you count in the slide stop. But like I said, the Intratec is an older gun, and it is it was made as a carry gun. It would be a very nice gun to carry. It feels nice in the hand. And you do have this little extension on the magazine. The problem with it nowadays is A, they're out of business, and B, you cannot find parts for it like another magazine. It'd be nice to have an extra magazine for it, but they do not have parts for it. It's hard to find anything on them at all, let alone parts for them, and they are not exactly the most reliable gun. They tend to non-fire with light hammer strikes or light striker strikes, and you can see an indent in the primer, but it doesn't go off. I think they were trying to compete with Glock. They didn't do a great job at it. Like I said, it does have some good ideas to it. It is an interesting gun, and like I said, the trigger pull is just atrocious as far as pull, because the Glock broke at about 5.5 to 6 pounds, which is typical for Glocks. I just wanted to show the difference between the Glock 26 and the Cat 9. Basically, because a lot of people don't even know what a Cat 9 is, never heard of it, and this is what it is. And like I said, if it was a more reliable gun, it'd be excellent, but it's not. So that's why I have the Glock. It's more reliable, and now with the Glock 43 out, single stack 9mm, I have not had a chance to shoot one of those yet, but I understand they're typical Glock, and they are single stack, so make it should be a little thinner. As the 26, if you look at that on the edge of the slides, the Cat has a kind of a rounded edges, where the Glock also kind of rounded it so that it would be more suitable for carry concealed. And like I said, this is a nice choice for concealed carry gun on its face if you just look at it, but unfortunately the reliability is not there. Alright, thanks for watching, and till we meet again.